In the medieval world, water and weather often dictated victory as decisively as swords and siege engines. The Mongol hordes exploited seasonal river levels and local topography to stage rapid crossings that surprised entrenched foes and eroded supply lines. Records show scouts read flood patterns like maps, choosing campaigns when rivers blessed their paths and punished their enemies with sudden currents. Weather and terrain thus became silent generals, shaping routes, timings, and outcomes long before formal logistics emerged. This episode invites viewers to see war through the lens of water and wind, revealing a strategic humility beneath the chaos of battle.